Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome to this new amazing video tutorial. So in this video tutorial, I'll show you that how you can add some essential WooCommerce plugin to your WordPress e-commerce shop. So let me just show you that what are the plugins that we are going to use today. So simply open a new tab in your browser, okay? And from here, go to wordpress.org, wordpress.org, and then press enter. And from here, click on plugins, okay? And here, search for wishlist, okay? And then press enter. And you can see that this is our wishlist plugin that is called TI wishlist, okay? I want to just simply install this plugin. So let me just copy the name of this plugin from here. This is the plugin you can see. And simply, I'm going back to my WordPress dashboard. This is the front end of the website, okay? And this is the back end. So from here, click on plugins and then click on add new. And from here, search for this plugin, TI Woocommerce wishlist, and simply click on install now, okay? And after that, click on activate. Okay, guys, you can see that the plugin is actually activating. And from here, simply click on let's go. This is the plugin setup wizard. Then from here, select create automatically, okay? And you can also give the name of the wishlist page. I'm giving here wishlist or my wishlist shop, my shop wishlist, okay? This is the page name. And then select create automatically from here. All right. And from here, click on continue. You can see that it's saying page with name wishlist already exists. Please choose another page or create a new one, okay? So simply click on create a new one, okay? So simply, this is my page name, my shop wishlist, and then click on continue from here. All right. And from here, you can choose the button position. I want the button after the card, and also add to wishlist. The text of my button will be add to wishlist, okay? Do you want to show this button to the product listing? Yes, I want to. So keep this default, keep everything default. And from here, click on continue. How products should be removed from wishlist, okay? Automatically, okay? Or let me select manually, okay? And after that, click on continue, and then scroll down, and then click on continue. Enable chat support. I don't think this is necessary. Okay, and then click on continue. Okay, your wish list is ready, and then click on return to WordPress dashboard. Okay, and let me go to the front end of my WooCommerce shop and reload this. All right, over here. And you can see that here is our add to wishlist button. If I click on add to wishlist, you can see that decoration wouldn't present added to the wishlist. Simply click on view wishlist, okay? And this is going to take us to the wishlist page, all right? And you can see that this is our wishlist page. We have this social share buttons right here. Okay, you can also add this page to your menu here. So let me show you how. Simply scroll down, and from here, simply click on, hover over here on appearance, and from here, click on menus, okay? And then from under pages, you can see that under pages, we have our page, my wishlist, my shop wishlist. And from here, click on add, sorry guys, let me just click on remove, and let me select the menu from here first. Main menu, menu right, menu left, topper menu, main menu, left, right. Okay, this one will be at the left, I think. So click on select from here. All right, home block shop. Click on my shop wishlist. Click on add to menu, save menu, and then reload this. Okay. Guys, actually I have to edit the menu from here again, because I have selected the wrong menu. Main menu. Okay, select, and you can see that this is my menu here, and from here click on this and then click on add to menu, and from here let me change the wishlist page label, wishlist. Okay, product wishlist, save menu. You can keep this default, but I'm just changing the labels, and then click on this reload of your browser, and you can see that this is our product wishlist page. From here the user can easily come to our wishlist page. So next, let me show you that how you can actually add a compare page, okay, for your WordPress e-commerce shop. So simply click on plugins, click on leave, okay, and from here click on add new, and from here search for compare, okay. I hope that you will find lots of plugins. There are lots of popular plugins, but I'll show you the best one. Okay, you can see that here we have YITH Woocommerce compare. We have another one, products compare for Woocommerce. So guys, let me just install this YITH Woocommerce compare. Okay, simply click on install. You can see that this plugin already have more than 300k plus active installations. Okay, this is a really great plugin. And then click on activate. Okay, all right, and then simply scroll down, and from here click on this menu right here that this plugin have added. Okay, and from here you can see that what will be the link type. That will be a button. Okay, and from here the link text compare. Okay, let me add here add to compare. Okay, COMPARE, show button in single product page. Yes, I want to show this button in the single product page. Show button in product list. Yes, I want to also show this button in the single product list. Okay, sorry, in the product list. All right, and from here simply click on save options. All right, you can see that this have been saved. And after that, let me just go to the front end and reload and go to the shop page from here. Okay, and from here let me just go to the single page. Okay, you can see that here we have add to compare link, add to compare. Okay, you can see that. Let me just see add to link button, add to compare. Okay, this is our add to compare functionality here. You can simply click on add to cart from here, but I'm not doing that. And let me just go to the shop page again, and let me add another page to the compare, another product to the compare page. Suppose this one. Go to the single product page of this specific product, and from here simply click on add to compare. Alright, you can see that we have two different products, compare list. Okay, so that's how actually you can add compare functionality in your WordPress e-commerce shop. And the third plugin is Leo Product Recommendations plugin. That is also a really special plugin. Simply, let me just show you what that plugin will do. Simply click on add new. Actually, this is a sales boosting plugin. It's a really useful plugin and it's free. Leo Product Recommendation. Leo Product Recommendation. You can see that. If you search for just Leo Product, you will be able to see this plugin here. Leo Product Recommendations for Woocommerce. Okay, from here simply click on install now, and this plugin is installing it. And after that, click on activate. All right, and then scroll down. You can see that here we have the LPR settings. This is the settings panel for this Leo Product Recommendations plugin. Okay, let me just go to the front end and let me just reload this page, this single product page, and click on add to cart from here. Okay, you can see that by default this is actually adding product to the cart. Okay, but I want to recommend some product after clicking on this add to cart button. Okay, so simply let me just go to the product, click on edit product. Okay, I want to show some product related to this product, this elastic Ecommece plastic side chair. Okay, and then from here simply scroll down, and you can see that here is our Leo product recommendations settings. Okay, for specific products. So simply click on this. I want to add these two products. One is this classic wooden chair, other one is decoration this one is classic wooden chair. Okay, and then simply scroll up and click on update. Okay guys, all right, and then simply reload this. All right my friends, this is the front end of our product, and let me just click on add to cart, and you can see that right now this plugin is actually recommending us two different products, okay, that we have selected from the backend. So this is what this special plugin actually did. Okay, all right guys, so I hope that you have understand how we can use this special plugin for your e-commerce website. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button, and if you face any problem, then you can comment down below. And if you want to get more tips and tricks related to WordPress, Wix, or Shopify, Squarespace, Magento, PrestaShop, any types of CMS actually, then you can contact with us. We have our email address, and you can also visit our daily web service.com website, and you can also purchase our service. So I hope that you love this video, and obviously guys, don't forget to subscribe for watching our next video. So that's all for today's lecture. See you in the next video. Goodbye.